Life often feels like an endless race, doesn't it? We're constantly chasing after goals, ambitions, and dreams, but sometimes it seems like we're stuck in place. We might be moving, but are we truly progressing? Today, I want to talk to you about 3 spiritual traps that the universe is urging you to break free from right now. These traps keep you running in circles, offering little progress or fulfillment. If you've ever felt like you're on a hamster wheel, running but not getting anywhere, this video is for you. Let's dive in and explore how you can step off these spiritual hamster wheels and align more closely with your true path. The first trap is the illusion of control. It's a tricky one because control gives us a false sense of security. Many of us spend our lives trying to control every aspect of our reality. We plan meticulously, we strategize our next moves, and we attempt to steer life in a direction we believe is best. But here's the thing. The more we try to control, the more out of control we actually feel. This is because life is inherently unpredictable, and no matter how much we try to control it, the universe has its own plans. You've likely heard the saying, "Man plans and God laughs." There's wisdom in this because it reminds us that while planning is essential, clinging to our plans can be detrimental. Now, think about a time when something didn't go according to plan. How did you feel? Frustrated, perhaps even angry. That's because our attachment to control is deeply rooted in fear. The fear of the unknown, the fear of failure, the fear of not being good enough. But here's the reality. Control is an illusion. The universe operates on a grander scale, with a wisdom far beyond our comprehension. Letting go of this need for control can be incredibly liberating. It's about trusting the flow of life and recognizing that sometimes the best thing we can do is let go and allow the universe to guide us. When you surrender control, you open yourself up to the infinite possibilities that the universe has in store for you. But how do we let go of control? It's not about giving up or being passive. Rather, it's about being adaptable and resilient. It's about being open to the unexpected twists and turns that life throws our way. Instead of resisting change, we embrace it. Instead of forcing outcomes, we allow them to unfold naturally. Meditation and mindfulness practices can be incredibly helpful in this process. They teach us to stay present, to focus on the here and now, rather than getting lost in worries about the future or regrets about the past. By staying present, we can better navigate the ebb and flow of life, trusting that we are exactly where we need to be, even if it doesn't always make sense at the moment. The second trap is the constant comparison with others. In today's world, it's so easy to compare ourselves to everyone around us, whether it's on social media, at work, or even within our own families. We see others' successes, their highlight reels, and we begin to doubt our own worth. But this comparison is a thief of joy. It keeps us focused on what we lack instead of what we have. The universe doesn't want you to live in someone else's shadow. You are unique, and your journey is unlike anyone else's. Every time you compare yourself to someone else, you're diminishing your own value. Embrace your path because it's leading you exactly where you need to be. It's important to remember that social media, in particular, is a curated version of reality. People share their best moments, their achievements, and their joys, but rarely do they share their struggles, their failures, or their insecurities. So when we compare ourselves to others online, we're comparing our whole life, with all its ups and downs, to someone else's highlight reel. It's an unfair comparison, and one that will inevitably leave us feeling inadequate. The universe wants you to understand that your worth isn't determined by how you measure up to others. Your worth is intrinsic. It comes from within and is not dependent on external validation or approval. So how do we break free from the comparison trap? It starts with self-awareness. Pay attention to when you're comparing yourself to others and gently remind yourself that their journey is not your journey. What works for them may not work for you, and that's okay. Celebrate your own progress, no matter how small it may seem. Focus on your strengths, your passions, and the unique qualities that make you who you are. Practice gratitude by acknowledging the things you have, rather than lamenting the things you don't. And remember, the only person you should compare yourself to is the person you were yesterday. Aim to be a better version of yourself each day, and let go of the need to compete with others. If you're someone who believes every soul deserves to shine in its own light, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Your support helps this community grow and spread positivity. Together, we can create a space where everyone is valued for who they are, not for how they compare to others. Now, the third trap is one that we all fall into at some point: the pursuit of external validation. We all want to be seen, heard, and appreciated, but when our self-worth is tied to the opinions of others, we end up on a never-ending treadmill of seeking approval. The universe wants you to understand that true validation comes from within. No amount of external praise or recognition can replace the deep, inner knowing that you are enough, just as you are. When you stop seeking validation from others, you begin to connect with your true self, and that's where real growth happens. This trap is particularly insidious because it often starts in childhood. We learn from a young age that certain behaviors are rewarded, while others are punished. We learn to seek approval from parents, teachers, and peers, and over time, we internalize this need for validation. But as adults, it's crucial to break free from this pattern. Seeking validation from others can lead us down a path of self-betrayal, where we make choices based on what we think others will approve of, rather than what truly aligns with our values and desires. The universe wants you to live authentically, to be true to yourself, and to seek validation from within, rather than from others. How can we start seeking validation from within? It begins with self-acceptance. Embrace who you are, flaws and all. Understand that you are a work in progress, and that's perfectly okay. You don't need to be perfect to be worthy of love and respect. Practice self-compassion by being gentle with yourself, especially when you make mistakes. Remember, you are enough just as you are, and you don't need anyone else's approval to validate your worth. When you stop seeking validation from others, you free yourself from the chains of external expectations and begin to live a life that is true to who you really are. Breaking free from these spiritual traps isn't easy, but it's essential for living a life of true alignment and purpose. Remember, the universe is always guiding you, but it's up to you to recognize the signs and make the necessary changes. Start by letting go of control, embracing your uniqueness, and seeking validation from within. This is the path to true spiritual freedom, and it's a journey that will lead you to a deeper understanding of yourself and your place in the universe. Thank you for staying with me on this journey. I'd love to hear your thoughts. What spiritual traps have you encountered, and how have you overcome them? Drop a comment below and let's keep this conversation going. And as always, sending you love and light on your path to personal growth and spiritual awakening.